Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to find the signal expression from the signal waveform. Okay, see the signal waveform. This signal waveform consists of two signals, unit ramp and the unit step. Here this is the unit ramp signal, here this is also a unit ramp, and this is unit step, and this also a unit step. What is unit step signal? Unit step signal is a signal in which the signal value changes from 0 to another value, or signal value changes from one level to next level. And next unit ramp signal, that is look like a ramp, that is known as unit ramp signal. And next I am going to find out the slope of the signal. Okay, here first find out the slope of this one, and next I am going to find out the second slope. How to find out the value of slope? M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 1 and y1 is 0. 1 minus 0, x2 is minus 1, x1 is minus 2. So minus 1 minus of minus 2. 1 divided by 1, that is equal to 1. Here the slope is 1, but the slope is increasing slope, put plus 1. And next consider the slope. Here what is y2? y2 is 1, y1 is minus of minus 1, and x2 is 1, x1 is minus of minus 1. So 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. Here also the slope is 1, but the slope is decreasing, put minus 1. Here what about the slope? Slope is 0. Here also the slope is 0. And next I am going to explain how to find out the expression. And here first number of terms. How to identify the terms involved here. Here terms means the signal changes take place at a particular point that is considered as a term. Here for example, I am going to take minus 2. That is the term number 1. In a term number 1, the signal changes from 0 slope is slope to plus 1. So the signal changes take place here. T is equal to minus 2 or T plus 2. What is the term involved here? That is the ramp signal R of T plus 2. What is the final slope? Final slope is plus 1. What is the initial slope? That is 0. What is the change in slope? That is final minus initial. 1 minus 0. What is the final signal? That is 1 into the term R of T plus 2. And next consider the term number 2. Term number 2 is minus 1. Here the minus 1, the slope of the signal changes from plus 1 to minus 1. So T is equal to minus 1, T is plus 1. What is the term involved here? Term is the unit ramp signal R of T plus 1. What is the final slope? Final slope is minus 1. And what is the initial slope? That is plus 1. Final minus initial, minus 1, minus of minus 1, that is minus 2. And how to represent the final signal? Minus 2 into R of T plus 1. Next consider T is equal to 0. Is there any changes in signal take place? No. So no need to consider this point. And go to the next point, T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 or T minus 1. T minus 1, this is the ramp signal because the signal changes from minus 1 to 0. The slope is minus 1, here the slope is 0. And unit ramp signal is represented by R of T minus 1, and final slope is 0, initial slope is minus 1. So what is the change in slope? Final minus initial 0, minus of minus 1, that is plus 1. What is the final signal? That is final slope into R of T minus 1. And next consider the term 4. Here what about 2? Is there any signal changes take place? No. Next go to the point 3. T is equal to 3 or T minus 3. And what is the signal involved here? That is the step signal. The step signal, the amplitude changes from minus 1 to plus 1. So U of T minus 3, and what is the final amplitude? Plus 1. What is the initial amplitude? Minus 1. What is the change in amplitude? That is the final minus initial, 1 minus of minus 1 plus 2. What is the final signal? Plus 2 in the U of T minus 3. Next consider the last term, that is the term number 5. Here what is T? T is equal to 4 or T minus 4. What is the term involved here? That is the step signal is involved here. The step signal amplitude changes from 1 to 0. Here this is 0 point. Okay, then write u of t minus 4. Final slope, final amplitude is 0. Initial amplitude is plus 1. So what is the change in amplitude? 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. And what about the final signal? Minus 1 into u of t minus 4. Next, combine all the final signal to get a overall signal expression. So this is the overall signal expression. This consists of all the values r of t plus 2 minus 2r into t plus 1 plus r of t minus 1 plus 2 into t minus 3 minus u of t minus 4. Thank you. Have a nice day.